Okay, let's come back and take a look at CL next. So this is the daily chart for CL, and what we're tracking is this final C wave up of this three. So this C wave and the final fifth within it. Now at the moment I've got the three here with this peculiar ending diagonal with the 3, 4, A, B, C. This count is kind of on life support, and if we drop down below, I think really if we take out last week's low, but the technical invalidations, this red line on the daily chart, then I think we're just going to drop into here. And what we've got is that the 3 is in here, and we've got a simple A, B, C for the 4, and then we make the move up to the 77, 78 region in CL. So watching it carefully this morning to see what it wants to do. If I come down the time scale, so let's go straight to the hourly chart. You can see this is the low last week. I was tracking a kind of diagonal up, but it's messy. It's taken a bit of a dump this morning, so I'm leaving it alone until it gives us a clearer indication of what's going on with the count. But watch this low from last week, 74.43. If we take that out, then there's a short that's worth at least $3 in there to go down to the alt 4. Alternatively, while we're above 64.72, we can still come up here for this 3, 4, 5 in the leading diagonal up off last week's low that I was tracking on the shorter time frame charts on Friday. But right now it's precarious. We have come down and bounced this morning right off the lower blue line in what looks like an A, B, C. If you took that trade this morning, then you were braver than me because I didn't. But it's looking actually like it might play out. So if you did, stops at this morning's low, this blue line, and remember to take half off for your 20 points. This can just be a 4, and we drop down again here. So careful with it. Okay, let's go over and look at NG next. So this is the daily chart for NG, and we've either completed this 2 of the C down, or we've got a last push up to the 3012 still, and it hasn't confirmed which. Looking to get short via DGAS for this 3 here, down to the 2444 to 2333 region in NG, and just being patient, letting the count tell us, or the price action tell us which of these 2 counts is going to play out. So at the moment, 2's either in here, or that's the 3 in the final diagonal up. We've got the 4 here, and we're just going to pop up here probably today, I would think, and get the short in. If I see 3012 or thereabouts and it starts to come off, then I'm going to short this thing using DGAS, and if we get the right setup, I'll also do it with futures. At the moment, off last week's high, which was a hit on the 786 retrace fig here, I've got an A, B, C for a potential 1 in a diagonal, an A, B, C right into the 887 back for the 2. We need to take out 28.91 and make a new low down to at least 28.85, preferably 28.66 for a 3, 4, 5. And we must not at any time take out 29.68 while we're doing that. If we see that, then the pullback, and the pullback after a diagonal should be swift and it should be deep. Then that's the alternative short setup. So one or the other to short NG this morning, or hopefully later today. And I've just zoned into the 15-minute chart. You can clearly see on there, this is the level that we mustn't take out for the diagonal to continue to play. This is the level for the 3, or the zone for the 3 down we're looking for in that diagonal off last week's high.